Good morning. Tommy here, folks. Hope you're doing good. Well, check this out. I had an episode, and I'm always warned by tire shops. Oh no, we won't put tires on your car if your tires are over 7 years old. I think it was the latest, and some of them dropped it to 5 years. But I gotta tell you, with my recent personal experience, big blowout almost caused a major accident, major problem. And if you looked at the other tires, there was cracks along the sidewalls. Do not, I'm going to tell you point blank, I don't care how much tread you got. Oh, I got plenty of tread. No, do not keep a tire more than 5 years. Forget the 6 years thing, especially if you're in dry climate. Maybe you can stretch 6 years. I don't know, but you got to make that call. It's a dangerous problem, and you just don't want that happening. What was I going to say here? As you can see here, it deteriorates. It's kind of like a rubber band, right? That's been sitting in your, you know, file drawer for 5, 6, 7 years, and you pull it out. Oh, found a rubber band. I needed it. Snap. Same goes for these tires. Thermal oxidative aging. They just get stiff. The rubber gets stiff and brittle, and kaboom. So don't do it. Go check your tires. There's a 4-digit code on the side of your tire somewhere. It'll say dot and then 4 digits. The 4 digits represent, the first 2 digits represent the week it was made, and the last 2 digits represent the year it was made. So let's say you had a one that said 1421. Well, it's the 14th week of 2021. Okay, that means you got a few years left. But always examine the sidewalls, and this is not always a telltale, but if you see cracks in the sidewalls, well, it's time to replace it for sure. Just get rid of it. But that's not the only reason to do it. I have decided at 5 years, I'm getting new tires, come rain or shine. After what happened, my tires that blew out were 5.5 years, no, 5.25 years in my case. And then when you look up close at the others that didn't blow out yet, they were cracked. And I'm in the Bay Area of California. That's the weather we have, so what the weather we had, which is pretty mild, and yet kaboom. Also, it matters. I think sometimes it might matter who the that's funny, who the tire manufacturer is too, and how well they made the tire. But don't take the risks for your family, for your sake. It could be a catastrophic event for you, especially if you're in a big high truck and front tire blows out, and maybe it blows out around a corner. Oh, it could be a disaster. So go out and check your tires today. Replace them. I don't care how much tread you have at 5 years or less. You got to get them examined. Could be less. But anyway, there you go. Heed this warning. Best wishes.